OMICRON PUC-TW event is like a big LAN party for substation and protection engineers to learn about the latest technologies in IEC 61850 testing and engineering.
I really like the format of the event with the mixture of tutorials and workshops. It's really interesting and learning a lot of new stuff.
I have really enjoyed today the Station Scout workshop, and it is a very promising tool because it will assist engineers to visualize the communication between goods, sample values and reports.
With the PUC-TW 2018, OMICRON created a unique event with a unique atmosphere. It allowed the participants in a relaxed and concentrated way to dive deep into 61850 technology. Thank you, OMICRON.
We do this event for the third time now, and obviously our guests like it. And we continue to make it even more valuable for our participants.